Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn complex numbers and quadratic equations together, step by step. Some equations have no real solution, so we extend numbers with I, the square root of -1. We'll work with complex numbers, picture them on the argand plane, and solve quadratics that need them. We define I as the square root of -1, so I squared is -1. The powers of I then cycle every 4. I, -1, minus I, 1, and repeat. A complex number z is a plus bi, with a the real part and b the imaginary part. We plot it on the argand plane, using the horizontal axis for the real part and the vertical for the imaginary. The conjugate flips the sign of the imaginary part. The modulus is the distance from the origin, root a squared plus b squared. A useful identity. Z times its conjugate equals the modulus squared. The equation x squared plus 1 equals 0 has no real solution, since x squared would be -1. With complex numbers, x equals plus or minus I. To add complex numbers, add real parts and imaginary parts separately. 2 plus 3i plus 1 minus I gives 3 plus 2i. To recap, I squared is -1 and its power cycle. A complex number is a plus bi on the argand plane. The modulus is root a squared plus b squared, and z times its conjugate is the modulus squared. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.